Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, plus, multiplication and division. We have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers, 16, 6, 18 and 3. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so we can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rules say if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power or square root or cube root, so you have to solve that part first in our expression. After that, you have to go step number 3, which is solving division and multiplication. And for this, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar methods, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, let's move towards to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, you have to solve all brackets first in your expression. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket. So we can skip this step. Step number 2, you have to solve the exponent or power of any number. So in our expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step. Now, step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. One more thing, PAMDAS rule and BODMAS rule are similar ones. You can get same answer if you apply the exact way, which is correct. So here you cannot say I'm using the BODMAS, so I will solve division first. And someone says I'm using the PAMDAS, so I will solve multiplication first. No, this is not the case. You have to go left to right in your expression and find out which operation is coming. So in this expression, we have this part which is 2 multiplied by 18. So 5 plus 2 multiplied by 18 equals to 36. And divided by 6, we can write as it is right now. And minus 5, we will write as it is. And here, we will give the reference 2 multiplied by 18 equals to 36. Now, move forward to solve the, again, division and multiplication. We will follow this step until we have solved all the multiplication and division. So now we will go again left to right and find out division and multiplication. So now we have the division. And again, we will write 5 plus 36 divided by 6 equals to 6. And minus 5, we can write as it is. And here, we will give the reference 36 divided by 6 equals to 6. Now, move forward again left to right in our expression. And now we do not have any multiplication and division. So now we will go plus and for minus sign. So now we will add because we have first the 5 plus 6, which is 11. And minus 5, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 5 plus 6 equals to 11. And now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So if we minus 11 minus 5 equals to 6. So the answer of the given expression is 6, which is the correct answer. If you follow this step, so you can get the correct answer. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope understand like how you can solve the given expression, the PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. And we will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.